Hey YouTube, Nuxnut14 here, and I'm doing a recap of my trip to the card store yesterday. So I got one box of 10-11 Pinnacle, 5 or 6 fat packs of 11-12 Victory, 1 pack of Zenith, and 3 pickups. So I'll go with the pickups first. I got all rookie team of Matt Duchene, Yannick Hansen, Hot Materials, and be a player dual signatures of Jamie Benn and James Neal. So all 3 of them are PC. Now the 1 pack of Zenith, I got base of Nicholas Lidstrom, John Tavares, Eric Lindros, and Marian Gabrick. And this is for trade. It was my hiss. It's redemption. Autograph rookie short print. Card number 221 is Alexander Burmistrov. So if anyone wants that, that's available. Next, my fat packs of Victory. I got Victory Reds of Andre Pavelec, Duncan Keith, Corey Crawford, Brad Richards, David Booth, Matt Cullen, Carey Price, Shane Doan, Tyler Kennedy, Jordan Stahl, Logan Couture, and I got red rookies of Mark Katnick, Mark Katnick. Stars of the game, I got Matt Duchene, that's PC, Mike Richards, Sidney Crosby, Joe Thornton, Steven Stamkos, and Martin St. Louis. Game breakers, I got Ryan Getzlaff, Dustin Byfuglien, Jeff Skinner, Jonathan Taves, Chris Pronger, Evgeny Malkin, and Phil Kessel. And my rookies were Timo Pielmeyer, Greg Nemitz, Lance Boma, Carson McMillan, Blake Jeffrion, Jamie Dornbosch, Ben Skirvins, and I got an MVP rookie of Jonathan Blum. So that was it for my fat packs, and now my box of Pinnacle. I got Tough Times of Brian Watson and Dennis Polonich, Saving Face of Curtis McElhinney, Rink Collection Teemu Selanne, Chris Pronger, Steve Bernier. I got this one from Evil Collector 96 in the trade. And Chris Stewart. Rookies were Nick Holden. This one's PC, Luke Adam. And artist proof rookie of Jamie Arneal. This is for trade. It's another redemption. City Lights Signatures, card number 71, James Neal. So if anyone wants that, that's also for trade. Autograph Icebreakers rookie of Jamie McBain, numbered to 299. And I got 3 Pinnacle threads of Eric Fair, Derek Roy, and Dustin Brown, which are all for trade. So that's it. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and a majority of everything is pretty much for trade, so just let me know if you're interested in anything. But most of it is for trade, so if you want any of it, just let me know. And that's it. Thanks for watching.